Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are making idli. You heard of this. It's a South Indian recipe. It's very delicious. So without any delay, let's kick off. So let's make this idli. For this I have taken here finger millet. For 1 cup I have taken, just place that in a bowl, and this is a quarter cup of urad dal, whole urad dal. So add that, and few methi seeds like 1/4 or 1/8 teaspoon also fine. So then you have to soak this brown rice poha, and instead of white rice, brown rice is good poha. And what we are doing is, like, we are not soaking this now because it takes only lesser time to uh, dilute and soaking part. So what we have to do is we have to soak these three ingredients fast for like about 4 to 5 hours. So before grinding these ingredients, we have to soak half an hour before this poha. Means it won't take much time, right? So only half an hour before we will soak this. So I am not soaking it now. We will wash this first. Wash thoroughly 1 or 2 times, and then put some water and keep it for soaking 4 to 5 hours. So now it's been 3.5 hours. Now I'm going to soak this one. Instead of white rice poha, I have taken red rice poha. That is a best healthier option. So wash it and soak it. Okay, both things are ready. Our finger millets along with urad dal and the poha. So everything is properly soaked, and now it's ready for grinding. You have to just grind all together, and grinding also it doesn't take much time because we are not grinding it smooth paste. Okay, so mix everything and add everything. Now only one go, just grind it. So now grind it without water. See, without water I have grind this, right? And now I will add water also. Like, water means how much you have to add, not like thin as dosa batter. It should be little thicker than the dosa batter. Okay, that much consistency it required. It should be little thicker. So now it's done. See, grinding is done. See, can you see it? The thickness also, can you make it? You can see the little small pieces, like small like suji rava kind of thing. It remains. Okay, like that you had to grind and pour that in a bowl. The bowl also you had to take a little bigger one, because when it fermentation happens, it will increase the volume, right? So it requires the space. So now the batter is ready, and close the lid. Even closing lid, it shouldn't be a airtight one. It should be loose like this. Okay, and just close it and keep it for like 5 to 6 hours or overnight. I have kept this for overnight. It almost like double the quantity it happened, right? Now we will add salt. So add how much you require according to the taste, and add that and mix it well properly. So mixing is also very important. Just mix it. And what happens, like here you can add veggies if you want, or else you can totally skip that. So what I'm doing is, half of the batter I'm adding vegetables. So you can take some vegetables like carrots. I have taken here carrot, cabbage, and this is curry leaves and cilantro. If you have a dill leaves, that is also good. It tastes little different. That also you can add. So that's it. Add these veggies only, like veggies also, like you have to keep in mind, like 40-30% you have to add, and batter should be like 70-80%. Okay, just mixing this half the batter, and half remaining I will bake without veggies. So now mix it properly. If you have this idli mold, idli making cooker, that is good. Otherwise it is difficult to make it. So you should require this idli plates. So now I'm adding one plate, this one, with vegetable. So with vegetable it will become little more soft. Okay. And I'm not adding here any soda or baking powder or nothing. If you want, you can, but I totally don't add anything or like those items. So no soda for this, but you are free to, like, you can do whatever you feel like. So now this is the plain batter. See, I'm pouring this. If you want that rava texture, you can even add night itself, like a rava idli rava you will get, that also you can add. Okay, now ready to go in cooker. See, my plates are ready. Idli batter is done, set, and now I am going to place that in idli cooker. So I have put the water down. Some water is there, and then I will place this stand, and I will cook it 15 to 20 minutes in a medium flame. Okay, after this, can you say it? It's a beautiful idli is done. Down is, it's a vegetable one, mixed vegetable one, and this is plain batter. So remove it from the plate. You can you have this with chutney or sambar also. uh, Whatever you feel like. Chutney also I'm going to show in this video itself. So stay till there. And see, that's beautiful idli. It's a finger millet idli. You can go for rice also. Instead of finger millet, you can use rice, or you will get the idli rava, that also you can add instead of finger millet. So just add the rava, that's it. So now it's beautiful idli is done. Can you see it? See, it's beautiful, right? It's very tasty also, but you need a chutney or something to go with this. So let's make chutney also. Chutney is also very easy. And see, my chutney with chutney, but I will show you the recipe also. So chutney also different varieties chutneys. There you can go to my playlist, and there you can see the chutney recipes. Any chutney you can make. So I am going to show here one chutney, that is a capsicum coconut chutney. It's very easy. So you what you have to take is, like, I have taken here 1 cup of chopped fresh coconut. Okay, and add to this one chili I'm adding. You can add how much you want. And two coins of ginger, fresh ginger, and salt according to taste. And I have soaked this tamarind, like 1 or 2 inch. That is enough. So let it be there. Before that, like, I have done is, here I have kept one vessel on stove with water. It's boiling now. Now I'm adding chopped capsicums on this. You can take a strainer like this, and you can steam it. If you have a steamer, you can do that also, or else you can just put it in the water and take it out. That's fine. So just to make soft enough, and no need to cook like fully, only three-fourth or half you can cook it. So now we will grind this fast with only coconut, and then later we will add the capsicum. So now see, without adding water, I have just grinded. And you can add here cilantro also, coriander leaves, like this much, like half of the handful, not handful, half of that. And now I'm adding this one also, tamarind, which I have soaked it, right? This much I have taken. Just add that. And water, along with the water you can add now water also if you want some more. Just grind it. Now see, here it's cooked, right? Yes, it's done. That don't cook it fully. So after let it cool down. Okay, then you can add. So I will keep this for 5 to 10 minutes, like outside itself. Then I will add that in a mixed jar. So now I have grinded this much, right? Now I will add these capsicums, which we have cooked it little bit, not much. And then just grind it. This is done, like chutney is done actually. Just grind it. You can add water how much you want. Some people like to have thin chutney. Some people want thick. So according to that, how much you want water, you can add and grind. Then what you can do is cilantro also you can add grinding later at the end. That big pieces of cilantro also looks good, and you can do that. So I have added earlier itself. I will add all together and just grind it. So now you can give tadka also, dry tadka. For this, just add in a pan mustard seeds, sesame seeds, and murak dal little bit, and curry leaves, cilantro also. You can add little bit. Just dry roast it and put that on for this garnishing. And the taste is also good, awesome. You can eat it chutney like that. I like to eat chutney without idli also. Yeah, I like very much chutney. So that's it, guys. See, this should be coarse grind. It shouldn't be like smooth paste. Okay, according to your taste wise, yeah, like how you like, you do it. And you can add some more cilantro top of that and garnish. That's it. Chutney is done. It's beautiful, right? It will go with the other thing also, like chapati, rotis, or any millet ukma, or khichdi or something, everything. It will go with everything. Chutney is like you can do it for everything, every dish, right? So my beautiful chutney, capsicum and coconut chutney is ready, and idli is also done along together. It's so delicious, and you will fall in love. Definitely try, give it try. Okay. Okay, guys, hope you all enjoyed it, and thank you for watching. And hope you will all make this recipe, and please come back and comment how it was. So, see you until then. Namaste. Bye. Thank you. Namaste.